We're going to look now at more of the advanced taskbar properties. So let's come down and let's go to the properties of the taskbar in question. And we're going to take a look at a few things inside of here. We're going to skip right over here to jump lists. If you don't know what a jump list is, let me show you that right away. It is if you have something open, and what we'll do is we'll open up a couple things here. A simple shift click will open up another one. And if you have something open and you come over here and you right click, that, my friends, is a jump list. It allows you to go over the icon and jump, as it were, into either your history. You can see frequent here of all this stuff that I've had open, or you can go right to something else. Here, unpin this program from the taskbar. We got File Explorer, which we've gone to quite a bit, which is the default behavior that we have here, and all these other ones that you might have gone to. Now, if we want to go to New Folder, which I have inside of there, this is where I'm collecting these videos, you can pin it to the list. And what pin to the list means that it is pinned to your jump list. So you can come in here, and if you have something that you always are going to, but get a little tired of fishing around and hunting around inside of File Explorer to find it, boom, just put it right there and you can go to it. Now, this is going to be true for the applications that you have at the bottom of your taskbar. It's going to open up the different tasks that you have for it. Some of the settings that we have. Number of recent items to be displayed. This is the default. It defaults at 10. Maybe that's too little for you. Maybe it's too much for you. Maybe you much prefer 12. Well, this is where you would set that. Now, what if you don't want it? What if for some reason you don't want anybody to find out your jump list, or you simply don't want to remember because it's too painful? You can see right here, privacy, store recently opened programs, store and display recently opened items in the jump list. So by unchecking these, what you can do is you can reset that to where you don't want the jump list, essentially. So we're going to go ahead and click apply on here. And then lastly, toolbars. I think you're going to like this. I'm going to show you each one of these. Address. So you can choose address and then apply. And notice right down here on the right-hand side that we can go to different websites. Let's say Microsoft.com, and then that will be Microsoft.com. We can head right in there. It's going to cough up Internet Explorer on the other screen, and then you can see right there. So address, and that's the one that we have for address. We're going to head and get rid of that one, and then go to links. Now, if we wanted links, what's going to happen here is you can see right down here, links. And what we can do is get a Internet Explorer place, and let's say drag this tab right down here, put it under links, and then sure enough, we're going to have a link for that place that we just went. The next is a touch keypad. Now, this might be quite convenient for those of you that are touching your way through this. So, click apply, and here it is. And then we can go through here and then we can tap till our heart's delight. The one I really want to show you is desktop. And this might be quite convenient for you. You might really like this one. The desktop, you can see these common used things that we have. Libraries, home group, me, I guess, the computer, network, control panel, recycle bin, and then control panel yet again. So that is a look at the different advanced taskbar properties in Windows 8.